Big Basket Now presents RCB 12th Man TV.
It's the day we've all been waiting for. India versus New Zealand in the final of Champions Trophy 2025. A chance for Men in Blue to add another glorious chapter in cricketing history. Let's go India! New Zealand won the toss, elected to bat first, and they've managed putting 251 on the board. Let's talk about India's bowling efforts.
Warren was absolutely a thrill to watch today because the way he took Glenn Phillips' wicket absolutely, and that also in the crucial point in the match. And the first wicket of Will Young, that is also a crucial wicket to watch.
For me, man of the day is Jadeja. Awesome, amazing, just loved it.
Kuldeep gave the breakthrough actually, and also Varun Chakravarti as well. Kuldeep actually got Rachin Ravindra out. That was one remarkable bowling effort.
10 minutes to go. Can they deliver?
Of course, this player is a keeper. This is getting close.
Oh my
Gosh. They've brought it home in 10 minutes. Remember the name.
बिग बास्केट 10 मिनट का नया नाम.
How's everyone feeling this evening?
My throat is already dead.
I lost my voice. We were screaming a lot, and then it was nerve-wracking at the end, but they managed to pull it off.
It got a little bit tricky after that Virat Kohli's wicket, but then we brought it back, and I think Shreyas Iyer with that 48, he stabilized the innings so much that we could, have hope, and then
towards the end, it was just consistent performance, right? There was a couple of scares, but yeah, it was like a complete photo finish.
obviously Rohit Sharma was a beauty today, and yeah, Shubman Gill and Rohit Sharma setting up that innings right in the beginning. That was very beautiful to watch.
The way KL Rahul played in the match, he proved himself. The way he backed the tournament, all the brownie points to KL Rahul. Here is the best solution for that position. The way he played in 2023 and the way he played in this tournament, I think we can't get any better substitute for fourth position.
Any particular moment that'll be etched in your memory forever as your favorite moment from the Champions Trophy Final 2025?
I think Rohit Sharma's innings was one of the good ones, greatest ones, and we've been waiting for such an innings in a long time from him. And I think today he really brought his A game, double A game, and that was a treat to watch.
The first was the way Kuldeep bowled that ball to dismiss Rachin. That was a big moment for me. And the way he also dismissed Williamson.
We were here with some of our American colleagues too, and I was telling them, you don't get to watch this every day. Right? The energy was fantastic, and we all got to watch something special, and the energy in the room too, right? Like everybody chanting, and it felt like we were at the stadium.
But one particular moment was when everyone was singing Vande Mataram, and that too in complete sync. I mean, that was one of the best moments of the night.
It's a patriotic feeling. Like everyone, whatever differences they may have, but they all sing Vande Mataram together, Ma Tujhe Salam together, and it brings out the feeling that we all are together with our team, with our boys.
Big Basket Now presents RCB 12th Man TV.